Mamelodi Sundowns star forward Lucas Ribeiro Costa has admitted uncertainty over his future with the club, even as he focuses on finishing the season strong and chasing glory at the FIFA Club World Cup. The Brazilian attacker, who clinched the Premier Soccer League (PSL) Golden Boot with 16 goals, is enjoying a standout campaign with the Tshwane Giants. However, questions remain over whether he will continue wearing the yellow and blue next season. He said, "I'm happy here. I love the club, the team, the fans, and this country." Ribeiro told Now Now when asked about a potential return to Europe, he said, "I don't know what the club's plans are, whether they want to renew or sell. But I'm focused on the Champions League right now. This is home." Since arriving in South Africa, the 25-year-old has proven a talismanic figure for Sundowns, helping them to consecutive league titles and delivering crucial goals, including a brace in the final match of the season against Magesi FC. Despite being in the dark about his contractual future, Ribeiro remains laser-focused on the upcoming CAF Champions League final against Egyptian side Pyramids FC, with the two-legged clash scheduled for May 24 and June 1. Victory there would add yet another trophy to his growing collection and possibly boost his case for being named PSL Player of the Season. Beyond continental success, Ribeiro is eagerly anticipating his first appearance at the FIFA Club World Cup in June, where Sundowns are drawn in Group F alongside Bundesliga giants Borussia Dortmund, South Korea's Ulsan HD, and Brazilians Fluminense, and said, "It'll be my first Club World Cup. We have to seize the moment and go in with hunger and drive. It wouldn't be easy, but we are capable. I'm especially excited to play against Fluminense, and I'd love to face Palmeiras, a team I rate highly in the semi-finals or final." The possibility of squaring off against Palmeiras, where rising star Estevia is making headlines before his move to Chelsea, has added an extra layer of motivation for the former French and Belgian league forward. Whether he stays in South Africa or returns to Europe, Ribeiro's stock continues to rise, but for now the focus is clear: conquer Africa, shine on the world stage, and give Sundowns fans more reason to cheer before any decision is made about what comes next. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.